Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to see what is DAX inside Power BI and how can we use it in our report. So DAX, which is known as Data Analysis Expression, and it is used inside Power BI for creating calculations. And it is nothing but an formula expression language with functions and operators which is used inside Power BI for creating calculations. And if you have used formulas inside Excel, then DAX is very similar to that, and it is used inside Power BI. So let us see how we can use it inside Power BI. So for that, we have an electronic store data set which sells all electronic items. So let's consider if the store manager is asking us to calculate the total profit or total sales for their store. So let us see how we can do it inside Power BI using DAX. So I'm inside my Power BI now. So I have four tables which is related to my electronic store data. So if I go to my table view, so here is my store sales table, and so let's write some DAX for creating some calculations. So I will click my new measure and I'll name it as total revenue. So in order to calculate total revenue or total sales, I'm going to use my revenue column which is present in my store sales table. So I'm going to use the DAX function sum, and inside that I'm going to use my column to calculate the total revenue. So I have created the DAX. Let me pull out in my report page. So now we got the total revenue numbers using our DAX function for our electronic store. And this is how DAX is used inside Power BI for creating calculations for our data set. So this is very simple calculation which we have done now, but we can also do some advanced calculations using DAX for any analytical purposes. So this is how DAX is created inside Power BI. So that's it about DAX in this video. So thanks for watching this video.